Most users hide this tab to declutter their interface if they are not currently writing any code or creating complex forms. If you ever need to record a macro or access the Visual Basic editor again, you can simply follow these same steps. So if you prefer using the standard menu navigation, then click the file and then click on the more and click on the options. And now click on the customize ribbon and locate the developer option in the right hand list and uncheck it. And click OK. And here now you can see that the developer option has gone. In another way, right click on the top ribbon and click on the customize the ribbon. This will open the Excel option dialog box. So in the right hand column titled main tabs, look for the developer check and uncheck the box next to developer and then click OK to proceed. And here developer tab is gone. If you want to reappear it again, go to the customize the ribbon, click on the customize ribbon and check developer, click OK. Now developer tab is back on the ribbon. Make sure this process does not delete any of your macros, but it hides the specialized tool used for VBA and form control. I hope now you understand how you can disable developer option in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.